Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? In today's video, I'm going to be recapping the one trade that I took this morning. Now, I didn't do it on stream this morning. I actually got sick with COVID, unfortunately, this past week. And so I've just been taking some time to not stare at screens. This is my first day back and just need to ease back into it before hopping on the live stream, obviously. So today I said I was going to give myself one trade. I was going to use a stop loss, and I'm going to go ahead and go through how that one trade played out and the end results of it. So let's go ahead and dive into it. So the one trade that we took today was on the Nasdaq. I did trade the Nasdaq minis today. I know it's micro May. However, I really liked the setup that I waited for. So I took the trade at 8:58 is when I entered in. Market opens at 8:30 Central. Again, sorry for the congestion sound. Still recovering about 90%, so feeling good. But markets opened to the downside, right? So a lot of selling going on. I wanted to ride with the trend here, which means I was looking for a short. And the logical area that made sense was short at volume here. So you could see we sold off nicely, had a nice little rebound. We sold off again. We had a little bit of buyers coming through. But as we approached into volume here, we actually started to slow down a little bit. And so I decided to get short at volume at 45 range. I front ran a little bit. Down at 43 and a quarter. And normally I have a 7-point take profit with an open-ended stop, just let it breathe. Today, my bracket that I was using, I have a stop for $960 of loss. Now I know that seems very aggressive, but again, it's just for the act of God case. And I actually pulled my 7-point stop down to cycle level at 500. And that's because I saw that we were kind of consolidating a little bit, and then we got really heavy here. And so I was originally looking at the 1.5 standard deviation off of VWAP. So we have VWAP -1, -1.5. I was looking at this as a potential target to exit my trade. However, when I saw all the selling coming through, I decided to pull it down to the cycle level at 500 and just call it a day off that trade. And so we ended up bouncing around just barely missed it by like a tick or something, right around here. Had one more little pop, and then we got the initial full flush down to fill me out there. Brings it to $706 on the day off that one trade. It was 4 minutes and 42 seconds. So overall, can't ask for a better first trade back after being a little sick and having that cloud, that brain cloud. So yeah, feeling good on that. Excited to be back on the stream. Make sure you subscribe and you turn on those bell notifications. Follow me on Twitter, all that stuff, so you know when we're going to be back on the live stream. I also update in the Discord chat, which is linked down below. Now, another reason I took one trade today was I am trading my Top Step account, and just another way to mitigate some risk while I'm on my journey back to recovery here. If you don't know what Top Step is, basically it's a company that gives you money to trade with after you prove to them that you're a good trader. So I passed a 2-step process here on the live stream. That earns you a funded account. They give you money to trade with. They take on the risk. In return, you keep 80% of the profits. They take 20%, and they put up the margin. So just another way to mitigate some risk if you're feeling a little uncertain on the day or anything like that. So overall, very happy with the day. Happy to be in and out. 5 minutes, call it a day. Close the browser and go rest and recuperate, getting ready for the rest of the streams later this week. So I'll see you in the next video. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.